Hello, I'm Evan with Woo Ninjas. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect multiple WordPress sites step by step. Single sign-on is an authentication scheme that lets your users log into multiple related websites using just one ID and password. It's essential for creating a professional, friction-free ecosystem for your members, students, or customers. So, how does SSO really work? Well, think of SSO like a bouncer for all your WordPress sites. You have one main site that handles logins and keeps track of who's signed in. Now, when a user visits one of your other sites and hits log in, that site doesn't check credentials. Instead, the client site relies on the primary site to validate the user. So if the user's logged in on the primary site, they're instantly logged into the other site too. To make this process work securely and smoothly on WordPress, you'll need a reliable solution. First of all, go to your WordPress dashboard. On the side panel, scroll down to Plugins and then Add Plugin. We recommend the WP Remote Users Sync plugin. This tool uses the secure OAuth 2 protocol to safely synchronize users across all your registered sites. To set it up, install and activate the WP Remote Users Sync plugin on every WordPress site you want to connect. After that is done, scroll down to WP Remote Users Sync plugin and click on Settings. Register your other WordPress sites as remote sites by copy-pasting the link on the Add Remote Site section. After that is done, click on Add, and then configure the incoming and outgoing user actions you want to synchronize, such as login, logout, create, update, password, and role. And then click on Save. The benefits are huge. Admins gain more control as you can implement strong password requirements or remove a user across all connected sites from one single dashboard. For the user, it eliminates password fatigue, resulting in fewer attacks and a significantly improved experience. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.